Introducing SCUBIC Plus, the largest self-cleaning cat litter box. Look at this massive space. With 150 liters of space, SCUBIC Plus is the largest self-cleaning litter box that offers your cat ultimate comfort. Your cat can enjoy their personal time, and so can you. Cleaning starts 3 minutes after your cat leaves. The vertical scooping design cuts down on dust and keeps everything tidy, while the precise 5mm rake scoops only the waste, saving more litter. Her air technology uses plasma electrodes to eliminate odors, leaving you with clean, fresh air every day. Don't worry about your cat's safety. If your cat's movement is detected, smart internal sensors immediately stop the process to ensure your cat's safety. Monitoring your cat's waste is a key way to ensure they stay healthy. With the SCUBIC Plus app, you can track your cat's daily stats and access visual data through the built-in camera for added insights. The extra-large sealed waste container holds more, so you can go longer between emptying the waste. Simply remove the waste bag from the container and throw it away. That's it! Effortlessly refill litter through the top opening or bottom tray. And the entire unit is designed for easy, thorough cleaning. The sleek design of SCUBIC Plus fits beautifully in any room, blending seamlessly with your home decor. A larger, smarter litter box for your cat. A simpler, happier life for you. SCUBIC Plus, the ultimate cat litter box for all cat lovers.